Let's see UpNote today. So let's see what are the features it has. So it has the option to create notebooks and create notes under the notebooks. So it will be easy for you to categorize them. Let's say I'm creating a notebook, creating one for English, creating one for science. So now let me add notes to them. I'm going to the all notes, creating a note, uh, test English, um, a notebook, done. So now you can see that it's under the English notebooks. So the other features that we have are like, let's say you want to add a heading, you can just heading. If you want to type it in color, you can just select it. You want to add checklist, you can just click it, add checklist. If you want to add image, you can just click on this. You can take photo, or you can select an image from the photo library and add it to that. And also we have the option to restore the data. Let's say you added something and you want to restore it, you can go to the version history, just select a particular item and you can restore to that point of time. You can see here it has all the versions. So the number of versions that you can store can be configured here in the settings. I'm going to the settings, and the maximum number of version history, you can see it here. You can just click on it and select how many days the version history should be saved, or I'm sorry, the number of times the version history should be saved. So in case if you want to scan any document, you can do that as well. You can just click on the plus sign here and you have the option to scan a document. You can embed video, and all the other options are like locked, they are premium, you have to pay for the app to use those features. And one thing is, this app is like the interface is very fast. And in case if you want to save this data in cloud, you can sign in to your sync node. You can just create an account, sign in, and you can save them on cloud. And you also have the option to create a separate space. Let's say you want to create a one for your uh, educational documents and the other one for your trade or for finance, anything. You can just create separate space for everything. So you can just say finance, so you have a separate space now created for that. You can see that I have clicked finance. You don't see any notes. You can just create a fresh set of notes for this category. UpNote has both free and premium plans, and the founder of this is from Vietnam, but the data is stored in US. So in case if you are bothered about where the data is stored, it's stored in US data centers. Let's see the pros. You can see, as I have already mentioned, the data is stored on cloud in case you don't want to save it locally and miss the data. The interface is faster. You have the option to organize the notebooks. You have the version history to restore the data. We have advanced editing options. We have separate space, and we also have the option to scan documents directly through the app. You don't need to do it separately using a different app. Now let's see the cons. It's not an open source one, and there is no end-to-end encryption. The free version is limited to 50 notes, and in case if you want to take backup of all your notes, apart from the version history. Let's say you want to take a backup completely. That can be done only on Windows, Linux, or Mac apps. It's not available on mobile apps. Okay, please leave your comment.